Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Derek Designs. Today we are going to learn how to do a long shadow, or a simple way of doing a long shadow in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, before we move into our video, if you are still new, please just subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be receiving new notifications whenever I upload my videos. And you will be good to go, learn new skills, learn new methods of dealing with graphic designing or Adobe Illustrator. So without wasting any more time, let's just dive into our video. So I'm starting with creating my background. This is my artboard or my workspace. It's 1920 by 1080 pixels. So we are going to start with creating our background. I'm selecting my rectangle tool and I'm going to use a gradient. I prefer using these colors. I need a darker color. And I'll drop it coming from this side. Okay, so after creating your background color, come and lock the layer so that you don't be disturbed. So what we're going to do next, come and create your text. I'm just going to write shadow. Okay, come and select your shift, adjust the size. Okay, let's do it like this. So come and select your font you want to use. I like using this. It's my favorite font, so it's up to you. If you like to use any other font, you can use. So to me, this is my favorite font. I would like to use. I like using more. So come select your text, come copy, again come paste in front, again come paste in front. So I have to make 2 copies of it. One, come and give this first a white color, then hide it, then come and get this second copy. Alright, come and put it this side. Okay, just take it this side, go to transparency, lower the transparency to 0, so it will get lost, but you will be knowing because you've already taken the transparency out. Okay, let me take it a little more this side. Okay, so come and select this plus this, come to object, go to blend, go to blending option, and go to specified distance. Okay, come and give it 1. All right, go select. Okay, again come object, go to blend, give make. All right, see, you will come up with your shadow. Okay, so what next? Go to layers, come and make this visible. All right, so we have created our shadow, but it's not yet done. Come to view, go to this preview on CPU. All right, guys, our shadow is ready and done. Okay, so come select this both, group them, Ctrl G to group them. Okay, so right now you can do whatever you want with the shadow of your own. Right, so even if you have any image you want to do or any icon, let's create with this icon. All right, let's create this icon. Let's try with this. So guys, if as we have finished to make our shadow, the last part you're going to do is come and create clipping mask. All right, after creating them, come create clipping mask. All right, so guys, your work is done and your long shadow is done. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you're still new, please don't forget to subscribe